Okay, back to, see, here's Bitcoin Core. Okay, Bitcoin Core, it's the wallet. All right. Yeah, recent transaction, received it. It's in that public address. And now it's nothing is pending. Okay. Available 0.01. Okay, so that they added it. So now I have 0.01 Bitcoin in this wallet and can send it back to Coinbase. Let's go look at Coinbase. Okay. So we don't want the dashboard. Okay, so we want accounts. Okay, there's my wallet. Now this is the Bitcoin wallet, the Bitcoin Cash, the Ethereum wallet. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin. I want to receive. Okay, I want to receive. Okay, we could send too. All right. Okay, well that's what's going to happen. Oops, sorry. Okay, if we say we want to send, I want to send 0.05 back. Or 0.005, or no, I'll just say 0.01. I'll send it all back. Okay, okay. So I want to send it. Okay, they want the Bitcoin address. Oh, so they want a Bitcoin address. So well, we got to go back to Coinbase then. So I want to receive. Okay, my wallet. Only send Bitcoin to this address. Right. Show the address. Okay, there's the address. Okay. Now a QR code reader, and I have one on this camera, but I haven't used it. Here's how, this is just the old computer way to do it. I just want to copy this. Well, I think, let's see. Oops, well, I'm going to try to get in there. Okay, so I'm going to highlight it, select it. Okay, and then I do Control C. Control C, that copies, no. Okay, see. But that's where Coinbase says, okay, send it to this address. So now we want to go back to Bitcoin Core. Okay, so we want to send it. We pay too, so it wants to know. So now I click in there where it says enter a Bitcoin address. Okay, so then I'm gonna do Control V, which is paste. And now that address, that public address, is in there for us. Okay, a label. Enter a label for this address to add to your address book. I don't know what they're talking about there. Amount, let's send 0.0, what's in Bitcoin, 0.01. 0.01 Bitcoin. What was that? Subtract a fee from the amount. The fee will be deducted from the amount being sent. The recipient will receive less Bitcoin than you enter in the amount field. Subtract the fee from the amount. Try that again. If multiple recipients are selected, the fee is split equally. Holy Pete. The fee will be deducted from the amount being sent. The recipient will receive less. Okay, now we want it to receive 0.01. Okay. Transaction fee. There's the transaction fee. So we're going to send 0.01. The transaction fee 0.003772220. I think there's always 8 digits to the right. Bitcoin. And let's send. The total exceeds your balance. Oh yeah, when this small transaction fee here is included. Oh, okay, all right. Oh yeah, I only got 0.1. Okay, sorry. The amount then will, all right, we'll go back to half of that. Okay. Okay, now I'll say 0.005. Whoops. There's not 5. Oh, okay. .005. Okay, Bitcoin. Transaction fee. Isn't that the same? Okay, it's not much, but okay, let's send it to that address that Coinbase said to use. Okay, are you sure you want to send 0.00500 to that public address? A fee, okay, 0.00140 added as transaction fee. 0.37 kilobytes. Total amount 0.0064 Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. All right, now what? Oh, Bitcoin. It says Bitcoin transaction amount type sent to address. Wow. Okay, so that's about right. Let's go back to Coinbase. I'll refresh the page here. Oh, there it is. It's pending. Yeah, .005, $51.72. Okay, so it did get it. So that worked. So I sent it from Coinbase to the Bitcoin Core wallet, and then we sent it back from the Bitcoin Core wallet back to Coinbase. Now, when you send it to a paper wallet, you have the address, and it's going there. It's not going to another wallet. It's just going out there at a public address, at a Bitcoin public address, and it'll just stay there. Now, the only drawback with Bitcoin Core is that you have to download the blockchain. That's not a big drawback, and I've had trouble with it, and finally I had an old version of it, and it wouldn't work, and eventually it even became corrupted. So I downloaded a more recent version. I think this is 14 or something, 15. I read that it was faster, so I tried it, and it definitely, I'm up to date now, and I leave it running. It doesn't, now that it's synced, it doesn't take long. I can turn it off overnight, and I'll probably have to let it sync for a few minutes or so. But it's got to just download that blockchain, that chain of blocks of messages, really, but they're transactions. So anyway, this is you can download Bitcoin Core. You can just Google it and you'll find it, and you download it, and this is the wallet right here, this thing right here. I haven't explored everything, but under File there's things like open URL, backup wallet, sign message. I don't know what that stuff is. This one I'm going to do, encrypt the wallet, and if you're paying any attention, do that. Encrypt the wallet. And then help. There is a debug window, and you can, there's a debug window, but there's a console, and you can actually type in things here, and you can find out what the private key is, for example. You can tell it, what's the private key, and it'll tell you. But I don't know what all this stuff is. Let's see here. Yeah, that was something. And then under the settings, encrypt wallet. Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea. Options, start Bitcoin wallet. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I just leave it alone. Okay. But anyway, so here's the wallet, and here's the send. This is how you send, and this is how you receive. So this is how you start. Here's your list of transactions. This is all the transactions you've made in this using this wallet. This is a program running on my computer. And there's the overview, and it tells you how much you have in your wallet here, your Bitcoin Core wallet. And there's nothing pending, and it lists all the transactions. So that's how you can do it. Okay, thanks for watching.